ano, magkikita na sila Alden and Min kasama yung mga lola after so long, after so many years. So reunion to.
Pati yata yung mga anak nila.
Pati yung mga anak namin. Okay, mamimit na rin nila in person. Yeah, so, yeah.
Tapos, you know, do you guys have time for another picture or going out or
Sana po,
Sana, hopefully.
magkaroon ng time.
Yeah.
Kasi
Kasi we're very busy rin po pagbalik. We need to do some Destined Videos pa. We have a lot of commitments pa.
Oh yeah. Tell us a little bit more about this videos.
So, ano na ba? Same day talaga. So, yun, abangan niyo po yung...
John, where's my iPad? Can you use the iPad to take a video, please?
Exciting po yan ako. So, abangan niyo po yan. And thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, especially dito sa Los Angeles and around the world.
And then lastly, if you did have time, where would you guys want to go?
Kuya, pakihawak na po.
Wish list.
Wala ko sa New York.
New York, ako din, New York. I've never been.
Really?
First time pa. I've ever, yeah, first time ko pala.
Okay, so taking
Hindi ko man po may
Opo, may
time.
time naman po sa schedule, yes. We'll go po pala.
Is there you want to go to Shake Shack or no?
Shake Shack, yes.
Yes,
Yes. Pwede naman. Yan, sabi dito sa Empire State to.
And then lastly, what do you want to say to all the fans that came here dito sa LAX?
Grabe po sila sa amin.
Yes, dito ko sa Twitter pa lang. Before pa lang tayo umalis, may mga tao na
Grabe po kayo sa amin. Thank you po. And hindi po namin kayo. We'll give you a good show.
Nagaan mo si May, okay?
Yes po. Sana po.
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty! No, I'm not pretty, please.
Angat ka sa lahat. May, angat ka sa lahat.
Bye, everybody!